Yo, hey girl, it's LadyChann, Rep None Less, and welcome to Shani's back with the weekly wrap up, slightly delayed, Shiggity Show. Kaboom! In the booties. What up, girl? Hi. I'm here, better late than never. I'm not always there when you call, and sometimes I'm not even always on time, so do you know what I mean? Drop that one out. Can't even use that Ashanti one. Let me just once again it's on. Let me just where's my oh yeah, there it is. She is I and I am her. Okay. I'm reloaded. And then we've got, so what's the name of this show? Here we go, yo. What's the name of it again? Oh yeah. God, mate, the news. This has been a bit dire, hasn't it? Let me just. I hope you lot have had a great day. It's been crazy what's going on in boxing at the minute. So let me just quickly do this banner. Sorry, my bad. Oh, usually okay. So yeah. Let's just see what it's called. So yeah, it's been a bit. We're gonna obviously cover what's been happening in this nutty sport. I don't know why we all love it so, but you know, it's a blessing and it's a curse. You only can love what you love, you know. Do you know what I mean? So okay, and it's just your new opponent. Hellenius. Hellenius. I see him say today, I'm a Viking, you know. I was like, yeah, we know, mate. We got that memo. Do you know what I mean? Shouts out to my Finnish crew. Hang on. So, yeah, somebody's lost the bag. A bag has left the booties. Yeah. Oh, God, we're going to discuss that. Okay, so there we go. Yo, that's the scenario. Oh yeah, and then we can do. Oh yeah, my bad. It's quite a long caption. You know, it's just a stupid one that people are posing. So here's the question. We know. Here we go. Hopefully, kaboom. All right, so members only roll call, and we can get this started and get on my lovely Peters. Me. All right, sell. You would expect a couple of them to be. Can't get this feeling. Eyes are watching people plotting, scheming. So everybody the way feeling. Hang on, I'm just having a look. Coolio and the motherfucking gang. All right, so members only roll call.